Thanks for watching. I'm Prerna Agarwal, Technical Product Owner for The Guardian. Today we'll be giving you Guardian updates of Sprint 19 that lasted from August 8th to August 19th. So just a quick overview of the agenda. We are going to give you an update on the roadmap. We are also going to be reviewing the issues that we tackled in Sprint 19 that lasted from August 8th to August 19th. Then we are going to flip over and give you the demo of the issues that we tackled and solved in Sprint 19. We are also going to be looking ahead as of week of August 23rd, which is Sprint 20. We are also going to be taking a look at what issues that we are going to be tackling in Sprint 20. We are also going to be talking about the upcoming releases. We are also going to be giving you some of the ways that you can submit either bugs or policy requests through various different channels. So just a quick overview of the Guardian roadmap. Again, this is open source, so anyone can see that. All you need to do is install the ZenHub extension in Chrome. And when you travel to the Guardian GitHub repo, you will be able to see a tab to quickly open that up and see what's going on there. So as you can see, we are still working on the multi-user role, and we are also working on the real-world MRV accounting. We are working on the API automation test suite, and so on and so forth. So just a quick overview of what we covered in Sprint 19. So in Sprint 19, we committed to 102 story points and we delivered 52 story points. And these story points include 1048, establishment of migration procedure, 1112, which is Web3 storage, an alternative to IPFS, an option to delete unpublished schema and policy, which is 1114. We have also increased the default HBAR amount, which is 1168. 1152, and so on and so forth. Now let's look at the demo of Sprint 19. So the first ticket what we'll be looking at is 1112, Web3 storage, an alternative to IPFS. Currently, as an IPFS storage, NFT.storage is giving lots of issues such as file fetch delay, outage, etc. We need to find an alternative to it to improve the performance and make the storage and operations more stable. So in order to overcome this, initially we were using NFT.storage, but now we have migrated and we have moved from NFT.storage to Web3.storage. So in order to get a complete information, we have also added a documentation in our docs.hedera.com, a step-by-step procedure on how to create an API keys in Web3.storage. So I would request everybody to have a look through the documentation and generate the NFT keys using Web3.storage. So the second ticket what we'll be looking at is 1048, establish migration procedure. Currently, when we make a release, migration of the versions are not getting compatible, and this will cause an issue in case of production. So in order to solve this, we have actually moved from type ARM to micro ARM. So in order to get more information, we have added a link in our ticket 1048, which are /doc/migration. So I would actually request everybody to use and follow microarms docs migration in order to migrate from one version to another without affecting the database data. So the third ticket what we'll be looking at is 1165, which is fixes to the README. So this is just a simple changes what we have done into our README file. Basically, it introduces some fixes. We had some break links, we have some break refactoring of the paragraphs, and so on and so forth. So we have just removed all that and cleaned up our README. So the last ticket what we'll be looking at is 1114. Add an option to delete unpublished schema and policy. Currently, we do not have an option to delete the schema or policy which are in the draft state. So let's look at this. So right now what I have done is I have just imported our latest IREC 4 policy. And as you can see, this is in the draft state. So initially, we didn't have an option of deleting this imported policy. But now, as you can see, we have added a delete icon for the draft policy. So when I click on this, I get a confirmation pop-up. Are you sure you delete the policy with related schemas? If I say OK, I get a progress of each of the steps. So right now, it's deleting all the schemas related to the policy. Now, as you can see, it's been deleted and my policy is also deleted with all the schemas related to that policy. So that was a quick demo on Sprint 19. Now looking ahead, we have Sprint 20 coming up. So just highlighting some of the issues that we are going to be uncovering here. The sprint is going to be lasting from August 22nd to September 2nd. At the moment, we have committed to 75 story points. Just to talk about some of them, we'll be looking at the topics naming convention, which is 966. We'll be looking at 1064 queuing system, workers for interacting with IPFS. We are also going to be looking at 1184. We are also going to be looking at 1207, 1150, and so on and so forth. Talking about the releases, our last release was on Tuesday, July 26, 2022. Our next release will be on Tuesday, August 31st, 2022. So there are multiple ways to reach out to us. You can reach out to us on GitHub. You can submit policy requests, enhancements, or if you find some bugs, please go ahead and mention those bugs with us so that we can get our team on that. Also, if you haven't joined our Discord, come and join our conversation. It's at hedera.com/discord. And when you get there, search for sustainability channel, or feel free to reach out to us directly if you have some policy requests, or by emailing us at info@envisionblockchain.com, or visiting our website at www.envisionblockchain.com. Thank you. Have a good day.